What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick little aesthetic mod to the TRX, and that's going to be installing the bedside TRX graphics. As you can see, my TRX has no side graphics here. If you've followed my channel for a while, you have known I ordered this TRX custom spec to me, and it more or less is a base model TRX. The only factory option I got installed on this truck is the trailer assist. So as you can see, no hood graphic and no bedside graphic. So that is what we are going to be installing today, just the bedside graphics. So you might be like, Will, why didn't you just order your truck with the graphics kit on there? Well, two reasons. Reason number one, it's a $500 option for just bedside graphics. I didn't want to pay $500 for 2 stickers. And number two, I didn't really think I wanted them on there. I really like, you know, a graphic-less free car, just kind of clean, sleek. So, you know, I'm only doing this just to kind of switch it up a little bit and to see if I actually like it. I don't know if this is going to be a long-term thing. It's just to see, you know, if I like it or not. But like I was saying, it's a $500 option if you want to order your truck with the bedside graphics, and then I think the hood graphic is like $500. So I remember it kind of being like $900 for all the graphics if you wanted them when you're ordering your truck. To me, that's not worth it when you can just go on eBay and pick up some replica ones right here. So you can obviously order these from Mopar. I'll put like the part number like right here if you want to order the actual OEM ones from Mopar. But the bedside graphics, I think they're 120 bucks a piece, so you're looking at $240 just for the bedside graphics. Or you can go on eBay and pick up some reproduction ones, like I did, for less than 20 bucks. So let's jump in here and have a look at what we got. And there we go. TRX bedside graphics. Now, I'm not sure if these are, you know, 100% accurate to the OEM ones. I feel like the OEM ones might be a little bit thicker, but I'm pretty sure these are the same length. Again, I have no idea because I really haven't seen another TRX up close, you know, to get a good, you know, layout of how big these graphics actually are. But to me, these look great, and for $17 versus 250 bucks, if I don't like it, I'll just rip that shit off. I went ahead and just wiped off a little bit of the dirt and stuff from back here. I went ahead and measured it out exactly where I want it to be here. Now, I'm not the best at, you know, putting on like stickers and decals and stuff, so I'm not even gonna explain how I did this. You know, just the quick one, you put a piece down, you know, piece of tape down the middle, peel the backing tape off one side, then put one side down, then go ahead and do the other side. But you guys can do it however you want. I just have that little piece of tape there as kind of a guide for once I get to this side. But from looking at pictures, this decal is definitely smaller than what the OEM one appears to be. The OEM one appears to, you know, the T or the X starts about right here, like coming down off of like the tail light a little bit, and then it more or less ends like midway into the fender. You can see we're nowhere near that, so this is definitely smaller. So what I've decided to do is I'm just going to throw these on here. If I don't like it, you know, whatever, it's only $17, it's not a big deal, I'll peel it off. But I'm going to do a comparison. I'm going to install these, the $17 ones. I'm going to go ahead and order the OEM ones as well, install those. If I do, you know, decide, oh, fuck it, yeah, I'm just going to order the other ones, do another video just to kind of show you guys. So you can make the decision if you want to, you know, cheap out and just do, you know, quick little $17 ones you can run for a few weeks and peel off if you decide, or if you want to go ahead and spend the real money and get the OEM ones. All right guys, so there you can see it, one side down. It's super subtle, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm kind of digging the look of it. It's, you know, on video, I'm sure you can even tell, like, it's very subtle. Like, you have to kind of like look for it to see it. So I kind of like it about it. It's very small, it's subtle, it's not, you know, loud, obnoxious. I like that it's the matte black. It kind of blends in with the black. It's kind of like that ghost look. So yeah, man, I'm kind of digging it. I was totally expecting to hate it, and I kind of like it. OCD is killing me because, you know, I got like one little air bubble there and like another one right there, but it is a little hot out right now, so hopefully this is a air releasing vinyl. If not, I'll just work it out a little bit, but all in all, looks pretty sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my measurements from here, transfer it on over to this side, and install it. So just a quick comparison right there, you know, clean, no graphics. Over on this side, it still looks the same. It still looks clean, just tiny little graphic right there. Just have to, you know, be at the right angle and you can see it. Pretty cool. So all right, I'm gonna get to it and install this side now.
It sound right, boys.
Alright guys, so now this side is nice and installed. Oh man, it was so close to being flawless right until like right there you can see that one little like streak. That annoys me so much, but we'll work that out. But yep, there you go. Got the graphics installed. So once again, these are definitely smaller than the OEM ones, but these are $17 versus $250 if you were to order these. So for 17 bucks, you can use these for like a week, 2 weeks, you know, switch them out however often you want. Installation, super simple. Again, I'm not a professional, you know, vinyl wrapper from what you can see in a few of my last videos, but you know, it's not rocket science. You know, just take your measurements from the corners there, and then you can line it up and make sure both sides are, you know, symmetrical. It's not all that hard to do, honestly. But yeah guys, just wanted to make a quick little video for you. Now I'll probably use these for a little while and then order the OEM ones and throw those on there and give you a quick comparison. But off the bat, for 17 bucks, I'll give these an A+. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Super quick video. Just wanted to go ahead and throw those on there. I actually just ordered a few more parts for the TRX. Those should be coming this week, so keep an eye out for those. I'm gonna be making some more mod videos with this thing, some more installation videos. All right guys, so if you liked the video, go ahead, hit that like button. If you liked me, you like the TRX, hit that subscribe button, join the party, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.